Hey there, welcome back to Side Channel today.
The secret to how plants spread is seeds. All the ingredients for new life, packed and ready to go. Some have evolved explosive mechanisms, but one cunning plant simply makes someone else do all the legwork. A female dung beetle on the African plains. There's only one thing that will make her go to extraordinary lengths. The sweet scent of antelope droppings. The perfect food for her young. Using her antennae, she selects the juiciest morsel. It smells like it. It looks like it. It even rolls like it. But this poop is an imposter. It's so convincingly like the real thing, she's prepared to fight for it. Victorious, she heads off to stash her prize away from the competition. But she's been duped. She thinks she's hiding it, but really, she's planting it. She's nothing more than a vehicle in the incredible adventure of the cunning elephant reed.